I have like my furniture I've had for a few years and it is amazing quality, but I'm really going to focus in on my pretty pillows. I have like a little tree, this little indoor outdoor rug situation, and then I also set up our table over here for whenever it's nice, like if my husband's grilling burgers or doing something, we like to eat outside. So it's perfect for myself, my husband, and our 2 kids. So yeah, let's go ahead and just break down everything really quick. This is typically my corner that I come and sit in every single time. I love layering the pillows. So everything here is indoor, outdoor, and it is a good quality material pillow. And then even the inserts are outdoor, so they're water resistant. And I live literally on the water, so right out here we have our little boat dock. It gets humid. It gets really, the humidity is what kills a lot of things, and lots of things like to mildew and get gross, especially because here it gets in the 90s regularly. It gets so hot during the summer. So having good quality outdoor stuff is very important so it does not get ruined in the heat and the humidity that we have. So I have these outdoor pillows, and y'all, they're machine washable. The inserts and the covers are machine washable, okay? Like up close you can see, like I said, quality is really, really good. I have had these, look at little tassels. I've had these pillows for 2 years out here now, and they're out here, these covers are out here from about March to September, and then I change them out for like my fall winter covers. But the inserts are out here year round. Nothing has messed up with it. You can dump wine on these things, y'all. It rinses right off. Like, it is so easy to take care of these. And then I have this really pretty white. I linked some others. Let's see here real quick. I'm sorry, I'm like holding my phone. I'm sure that's really awkward for a lot of y'all, but it's easier for me to just show you everything that way. See if I can slide over here. So this is the white insert that I'm showing right here. And these do come in lots of different sizes. So like this exact pattern with the 3 blue stripe, I actually have these over here in the lumbar pillows as well, and the inserts for the lumbar pillows are also Hof Deco, same brand, same outdoor inserts. The quality, y'all, is ridiculously good. I'll come back to those in a minute. But yeah, all of the pillow covers that they sell, they come in different sizes, so you can get 18 by 18, 20 by 20. You can get the lumbar, like, just check it out. Lots of really good ones. And then I even have, let's see here, I have a couple other ones linked that I thought were really pretty, like this blue stripe, this like, it's like a seersucker. Gorgeous. Everything that I linked is blue because that's my whole porch. And then this is new this year, this really pretty ruffle outline. Gorgeous. It's very similar to this one with the stripes, but it's the like scalloped hemline. I think that's so stinking cute. But yeah, lots of really good pillow covers. They literally have probably 50 or so like patterns and colors, literally to match every single decor. They even have, if you need some new seat cushions, they have seat cushions. I know that they have like napkins and stuff for like outdoor tables as well. I have fallen in love with this brand. Like I said, I've had this stuff for 2 years, and I'm definitely going to keep repurchasing from them because the quality has just stood the test of time. It's been so good. So let me pull up real quick inserts. So like I said, in all of these pillows is the Hof Deco inserts, and they are thick, they are plush, like they really hold up, and they're comfy too. They're so comfy to sit on, and I know that they're like an investment. They're $50 for 2, I believe, so it is an investment. But when you think about it, like these are out here year round, and I can change up the pillow covers as much as I want. And if you really start to do the math on how expensive pillows are, if you're just getting new pillows every season and you're not just keeping an insert and changing out the cover, it's stupid expensive. Like, there is no point in y'all to be spending that much money. So I always suggest get an insert that's a good quality, that's comfortable, that's the size that you want, and just rotate out the covers. Match your style, match the season. It's so easy. All right, let's see what else I got going here. I'm probably going to turn the camera around in a second so y'all can see everything. I want to talk about the rug, and I will turn the camera around. So here we go. This rug I have had out here And I know it looks almost yellow because it's so dark. I think it's just the way the sun and everything's reflecting. But it's a beautiful pale blue. It's much brighter in person. But this one has been out here again from March to September for the past 2 years. And this has gone through like hurricanes and tropical storms. Like, yes, it's a covered porch, but the wind and the rain will blow in here and it'll soak everything in here. And it is still like great quality. I've never washed it or anything. I literally will just come out here every once in a while and run the vacuum over it. But it holds up and it's really, really easy to clean. So super, super good, high quality. This Safave, I think that's how you pronounce it. I have some of their rugs inside my house as well. Some of the best quality rugs for the price that you will find. So here we go again, little overview of the porch. Like I said, all the furniture is probably recognizable. It's the Better Homes and Gardens furniture from Walmart. I've had that for a few years. And then all of my accent pieces, of course, the pillows that I just showed you, the pretty tree out here in the background, the rug, the lamps, all of that is Amazon. And so this little tree, the exact one is sold out, but I did link some similar. So we've got this, it's like a 2-pack of Camellia trees that actually looks fuller to me. And that is $62 for 2 of them. I think I paid that just for the single one. So obviously what I'll have linked here is a much better deal. It looks better quality, it looks bigger and fuller, and you're getting 2 instead of just 1. So, but it's like just brightens up the space, especially if you're a tree killer like me. Like y'all, I could not keep a plant alive to save my soul. Unfortunately so. So faux plants, that's like the only thing that works for me. I have them on my front porch too. And then over here, I always do the faux florals. My little doggy, isn't his Braves jersey so cute? My kids keep him dressed. He actually likes it. He always wants to have clothes on. All right, let me turn you around again. And here we go. This is the little seating area that I told you. We love to come out here and have dinner. Sometimes we do like a family game night out here, especially when the weather's nice. You just can't beat sitting out on the porch. The table and chairs, if y'all want the link, you can DM me on Instagram or TikTok or somewhere over there. I'll shoot you the link, but it is from Wayfair, really good outdoor furniture quality. And it's also linked in my LTK. So if y'all are associated with that, you can shop everything that way as well. But these placemats are actually old and I just reused them. And they are just good. I mean, I've had these for a few years, good quality woven material, and they work really well for outdoors. If they get wet or something, they dry easily. They don't get misshapen. Those are great. And actually, I can link those for y'all. I don't know what I'm doing here. So yeah, like I said, these are at this point probably like 4 years old, and they're still good quality little placemats like that. That's one of these. There we go. The wind blew it around last night. We had like a really big storm come through. And then hydrangeas, I actually mixed 2 different colors here. I just thought it kind of gave it a little bit more depth. Thought it looked pretty. I put it in my little planter as a centerpiece. I love a good faux hydrangea. And these have been the best quality. Let me just pull out one and mess up my arrangement just a little bit. So like the stem is really thick on these, and it has those really nice leaves. There's a little rubber band there, I missed that. Has these really nice leaves on them, and it's just really full, and it even has those pretty like little dots in the center, and they hold up really, really well. Again, actually this exact arrangement was out here last year, and even with all the wind and everything, like it never did come undone. So I love the quality of these. They're inside my house as well, so I have those hydrangeas everywhere. So again, let me step over here. Lovely little seating area. I need to get a new rug, please ignore that. And then this. So yeah, obviously still work in progress, but I'm just so happy and excited to be coming out here again and having our Ooh, that was an up close and personal shot. I do apologize. But having our coffee out here, and my husband and I love to come out in the evenings. The kids will be out in the backyard jumping on the trampoline, playing, and it's just a great place to hang out. Like, everything that I'm sharing with y'all has been out here for a few years. I usually rotate a spring summer decor scheme, and then I bring in like a fall winter. So this will be here through, I guess, September at this point, whenever I start to switch out after Labor Day and start to add my fall stuff in. But it is just one of my favorite times to be out here. And again, I love the color combo here. But if you were going with these really pretty pillows, like I said, Hop Deco has the best pillows. I know I linked a lot of the blue ones. They have orange, yellow, red, they have neutrals, they have greens. So every like color that you can think of, they then have probably 20 or so patterns within that color. So no matter what like your home decor vibe is, whatever you're going for, you can find decor to match with them. And like I said, they do have, I really wanted to try some of their placemats. I haven't got any yet, but they do have like placemats. They have seat cushions, all of that. This is not sponsored at all, by the way. I feel like I should say that since I'm talking about them so much. Absolutely not sponsored. I bought this stuff myself a couple of years ago, but the quality has just stood the test of time, and I always like to share those really good products with y'all. So again, the inserts and the covers are Hop Deco, and even though they are a little bit pricier than some of the other like pillow inserts and covers that you'll find on Amazon, they are truly worth every penny, and they are going to last forever for you. So had to share those as well. But I am actually, my kids got out of school half a day today, so I have a short day as far as work. My mom was up at the school. It was a grandparents' day. How cute is that? So like all the grandparents were invited up to the school. Like the younger kids, like Preston, did a performance, like they sang and all of that, and then they got to take them around to show the classrooms and everything. And so my mom checked them out after that, and so now I'm gonna go grab them, and we're gonna start our weekend, which is actually a super busy weekend.